Have you ever repeated affirmations like, I'm rich, I'm confident, I am powerful, but deep inside, a small voice says, yeah, right, but who are you fooling? Who are you fooling by saying all these affirmations, by saying all these positive sentences? Have you ever felt like this? What if I told you there is a small twist that makes your affirmations 10x more powerful, believable, and yet effective? And this is something which I came across very recently, and I thought I would love to share this with all of you. And it has done wonders for me. So, this particular technique is called as Affirm Questions. Yes, you've heard it right. It's not affirmations, but it is Affirm Questions. And today, I will show you how this simple switch can rewire your subconscious, open up new possibilities, and help you manifest results faster than ever. So, stay with me till the end because I will give you three ready to use Affirm questions you can practice right after watching this video. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and type in the comments, yes, I am ready. Awesome. So, I'm Poonam Jain, your guide here in healing, energy, and transformation. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit subscribe, tap the bell icon so you don't miss these powerful tools that I share on my channel. So, are you ready? Go ahead and let's start with understanding what this whole concept is all about. So, let's work towards understanding a little bit about this. One is about, let's rewind a little bit. Where did this concept come from? The idea of affirmations has been around centuries. Ancient mantras, spiritual chants, even modern psychology talk about repeating positive statements. But in the 1990s, there was a new twist. Yes, this was not something new. It has been there since 1990s, and that has been a new twist emerged from the work of Noah St. John, who asked a brilliant question. So instead of saying affirmations, what if I framed them into questions? Yes. Instead of saying affirmations, what would it be like if I framed them into questions? Why? Because our subconscious is designed to look for answers here and there. It's always looking for answers. That's right. If I say I'm wealthy and deep down I don't believe in it, what happens? It stores resistance. Yes, it shows resistance. But if I ask, why is wealth flowing into my life so easily? So, what my brain does is, it doesn't argue. It starts scanning for reasons, proof, and opportunities. That's absolutely right. So, when I say, why is wealth flowing into my life so easily? What my brain is doing, it is scanning for reasons, proofs, and opportunities. So, this is how the affirm questions or affirmations came into being. And it bridges the gap between positive thinking and the subconscious reprogramming. So let's get into a little bit more deep dive. Let me take a few examples. So let's look at some examples you can instantly connect with. Say, for example, the affirmation is, I am confident. Now, your affirm question would be, why am I feeling so confident while speaking today? Yes. Another example is affirmation, money flows easily to me. And your affirm question is going to be, why is money coming to me from all the unexpected sources right now? Another example is affirmation, I am loved. And your affirm question is going to be, why do I feel so loved and valued wherever I go? Can you see the difference? One feels like you are trying to convince yourself in the affirmations, and the other feels like you are unlocking a door where the answer is already waiting. So, drop a comment below right now. Which one feels more natural to you, the affirmation or the affirm question? So, let me know, let me read through, and I'm going to reply to each one of you as you share your experience with me. Now, let's get a little bit more deeper. Why does this work? First, brain science. which is the reticular activating system. So your brain has a filter that decides what information to focus on. When you ask a question, your reticular activating system, which is RAS, immediately starts scanning your environment to find the evidence. That's why when you think about buying a red car, suddenly you start seeing all the red cars everywhere. The second is the energy shift. Affirmations sometimes clash with your current vibrations, your current mindset, your current thoughts. But questions, they create openness. Then you shift from, I don't believe this, maybe this is possible. Yes, I can see it happening. So that's where your energy shift comes into the picture. And the third part is the law of attraction hack. So when you ask, why am I so lucky with money? Your mind, emotions, and energy align, and what you focus on expands. So this is not just a woo 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 technology or a woo woo thing, but this is how your subconscious gets reprogrammed without any resistance. So are you ready to reprogram your mind with these new things? If yes, just type reprogram, because I'm going to share with you the tips and tricks that you can use for the daily life. Okay, now let's make this practical. Here are some tips to start using Affirm questions in your daily life. Like in the morning ritual. So when you wake up and before you pick your phone, ask 2 to 3 Affirm questions like, why is today going to be so productive? Why am I meeting the right people today? Second could be when you are having certain stressful events, like for example, you have a big meeting. So instead of saying, I won't be nervous, ask, why am I feeling so calm and prepared for this presentation? And I personally use this a lot for my presentations and discussions. And even before recording this, I have used this Affirm question to myself. The third one is about the money magnet practice, which means every time you spend money, ask, why is my money always coming back multiplied? I know you will love that because you would want the money to come to you multifold. So ask yourself, why is money always coming back multiplied? In terms of your health and energy, feeling tired? Ask, why am I feeling so energized and healthy today? If you're working on relationships and you're struggling with a conflict, ask, why are my relationships becoming more harmonious every day? You know what the trick is? Write your Affirm questions on sticky notes and place them on your mirror or your computer or your laptop or your fridge, and let your environment remind you every time about what do you need to keep asking. So are you really interested and excited to experiment with this? So now imagine this. You don't have to fight with your subconscious mind anymore. You don't have to force yourself to believe with Affirm questions. You simply ask and your mind begins to align automatically. So here is what I want you to do. Pick one area, say money, health, wealth, career, relationships, business. Pick any one area. Create 2 Affirm questions and practice them for 7 days and as long as you can every day. Come back to this video and comment what shifts have you noticed already. And if you want to go deeper, I help my clients unlock the abundance, heal their energy, and rewire their mindset with powerful techniques like this in my sessions and programs. So if you're interested, just comment in the message and I will revert back to you to get into how I can help and support. And of course, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who needs this gentle but the powerful shift. So because your questions are going to create the reality, the better you ask, the better life answers to you. So thank you for being here. And until next time, stay radiant and keep asking powerful Affirm questions. Thank you.